less than $100 for this? What? Off of Amazon. Why y'all didn't tell me Amazon game was so strong on the wigs? I'm back with another wig install video. Today we're using the Outre Julianne wig I found off of Amazon. This wig was less than $100. Please don't be alarmed by the curls. I promise it's gonna be cute.
I've been watching you.
Okay, so we're gonna start by fitting the wig to our head. Now this one didn't fit me quite as well as the last one. As you kind of see, my edges are kind of hanging out a little bit, but you know, just a little maneuvering and we got it to fit. But you want to make sure you do this step before you start cutting your lace so you get an idea of where to place it. This wig, I will say, is really thick. I mean, really thick. But I actually like the volume, so I wasn't mad at it. But I did need to go in and use the wax stick to kind of lay it down a little bit. Did use the hot comb to try to straighten out the hair just a little bit. This wig is partly synthetic, which I was so shocked that I could put heat on it, but you can. As long as it's less than 400 degrees, you're good to go. I did do a little bit of customizing because, again, this hair is thick, so the hairline, although it was a natural hairline, I still wanted to go in and kind of tweeze it just a bit. So next we're going to part it into smaller sections. I'm just going to repeat the steps just so I can make it as flat as possible along the front of it.
I've been watching you.
Okay, now that we've got the front pretty much customized to our liking, we are going to spray the inside of it with the Ebon Lace Tint. It's in the color light warm brown. This just helps to make a more seamless, flawless match when it comes to the lace and my skin versus putting like all my makeup on it. I don't want to waste my makeup. As you saw in the last video, you know we're going to use the olive oil wig grip spray. Still love this stuff. It isn't one of those sprays that it's not going to last you forever. Like, it's not going to keep your wig on for a week, but it does say it has a 48-hour hold. And I definitely have tested it out, and she does hold for at least 48 hours. And it doesn't tear my edges. It doesn't damage my edges. It actually has castor oil, which is made to strengthen and protect your hairline. So definitely something I recommend if you're looking into using wigs frequently, but also wanting to save and preserve your edges. Next, we're going to tie it down for about 15 to 20 minutes using our band. Like I told you before, it needs to be borderline headache tight. You guys want that lace to melt. And while the lace is melting, I'm going to go in and then kind of style it the way I want it. Something that I love about this wig is that you can make a middle part, you can make a side part. You can do it however you want to, pretty much. The lace allows you to do that. Once I figure out the part situation, then I go back in with my wax stick. Again, like I told y'all, she is thick. So if you want her to lay down and really be flat in the places that you want it to be flat in, you're going to have to use that wax stick and a hot comb. Now, this is where I told you, don't be alarmed by the curls. All you need to do is get you a good paddle brush, wig brush, whatever you want to use, and just start brushing those curls out. I'm not gonna lie, when I first put it on, I was a little nervous. I was like, okay, all right, we brushing. I ain't seeing nothing, but then I really started to play with it, you know, run my fingers through it, brush the curls out some more, and it really started to take shape.
I've been watching you.
last step is to cut the lace. Be sure to go in a jagged motion to make a more natural hairline appearance. And here is the end result. So I'm not gonna lie, it has been a couple weeks since I did the install, but I did not want to not finish this video for you. Also, I wanted to give you an honest review of this hair. And let me tell you, number one, it's under $100. So if you are a girl who is like me, who's new to the wig game and didn't want to spend a whole lot of money just to potentially mess her up, this is a good starter wig. Outre did their thing. It was ordered on Amazon. I have everything linked down below in the description box. Fast delivery because it's Amazon. Hello. But I did not have to spend a whole lot of money for a trial wig, if you will. But I'll be honest, she looked better than a trial wig, honey. She has been holding me down for a couple weeks now, and I have not experienced any shedding. You can actually put some heat on this hair. This is not a full human hair wig. It is a Synthi, and if I would have known they were making Synthis like this, like, I would have gotten them a long time ago. The thing I love about this wig is that I really didn't have to do a whole lot of customizing to it. The curls were already there. Just feather her back like so, and we're good to go. Like, look at this, watch. And this is after having the hair for a while. Like, it just gives you that effortless Farrah Fawcett type vibe, if you will. Love this hair. I get so many compliments on this hair. I will say the curls come out really, really tight when you get it out of the bag. But if you just take a paddle brush, wig brush, they come right on out. Not come out, but they'll loosen up. And the older they get, the more I love this hair. Like, the more I love this hair. It is long, but I like long hair. It is really full. So if you're not into the big hair, then you may have to thinner a little bit. Just use one of the thinning combs. You can get it off of Amazon too. I have everything on my Amazon storefront that I used for this hair, and you're good to go. You just shake her out, brush her down, slap her on, and you're good to go. Feather back. You can use your hands to comb it. You can use, I use my hands all the time with this hair, and I just, you know, maneuver it, and I just can't get over it. I really think I want to order like 1 or 2 more because there are some other colors that I really want to try. This specific wig comes in several different colors, so definitely take a look at it on Amazon, and it's a 10 out of 10. If you want to know, I highly recommend. 10 out of 10. I love this wig. It is such a good beginner wig because, again, I didn't know what I was doing, but I knew I wanted to try something. As an actress, I want to be able to switch up my looks. As an influencer and content creator, you know, I want to switch it up, but I also want to save a coin when I do it. So here we are, and I am not mad at her at all. Highly recommend this wig. Again, no shedding, had no smell. The curls, again, are tight. Just brush it out and you're good to go. I did not have to cut layers into it. The layers were already there, and you can just really play with it. If you wanted to even be a side part, I could have easily shifted her over to make a side part. So it is something that is a little versatile in that regard. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like the outcome of this hair. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you've tried this wig, if there are some other wigs I should try, because I'm a wig girly, so I need to know where my wig girlies at. Put me on, because I need to get a couple more. Let me know in the comments, and definitely like and hit that subscribe button, and I'll be forever grateful. Until the next video, see you guys.